y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today is the 4th day of 5 days of hype. So we are almost there, and I know yesterday I said I was going to kind of keep it neutral today, but I'm saving that palette actually for tomorrow because I feel like that's one of the most hyped up kind of palettes. So I kind of wanted to save that for tomorrow since tomorrow is the last day. So this next palette is a more recent launch, but I guess it's so popular right now because it's St. Patrick's Day next week. So it is the ColourPop Just My Luck palette, and ColourPop always has like the best palettes. So I'm really excited to try this, hence the green today. And then these are the names of the colors, like they are actually kind of like hilarious. So let's just jump right into this eyeshadow palette. But before we do, don't forget to click that subscribe button and hit that post notification bell. So without further ado, let's test out this eyeshadow palette. So you take it out of the box and it kind of looks just like the packaging, which is really cute. And then you open it up and it does have a mirror. And then these are these shades. I think they are just stunning. They're perfect for St. Patrick's Day. And then like you have like different kind of shades of green in it. I don't think my camera is picking up like the true kind of green colors in it, but I think it's really pretty. I think I'm definitely going to use Mary Jane today, which is that kind of shimmer color right there, because I think that matches my shirt kind of like the most. But we'll just see how this look goes. So one thing I noticed that's not in here, which is okay because I always have bronzer beside me, but there's not really a transition shade in here, so I'm just going to go in with like a random bronzer and kind of just throw that in the crease for a transition shade. And we are going to throw this transition shade just in the crease and a little bit above it. So now that we have our transition shade, next I think I'm going to go in with Kiss My Ass. That's such a funny name. And throw that in the crease to kind of deepen it up just a little bit. It is very pigmented. ColourPop eyeshadows though are always like really pigmented. They have a really good like consistency with their palettes, like being really good. And we are just concentrating this in the crease right below that transition shade just to kind of deepen it up. Y'all, people are like seriously freaking out about this coronavirus. Like, what are y'all's thoughts on it? Do you think it's like being blown out of proportion? Do you think it's really going to get bad? Like, do you think it's just like the flu, except it kind of affects people that have like underlying health issues worse? What do you guys think about it? Like, I don't know. I don't know if like the media is just causing panic or what, but I feel like every time there's like an election year or something like that going on, it just goes crazy. Like, Ireland's pretty much shutting down because somebody died of coronavirus. Tom Hanks just said that he and his wife has coronavirus. So I'm like, ooh, it's kind of like scary. My eyes are so differently shaped. Like, this eye is more kind of like hooded than like this eye. So like doing my eyeshadow is a challenge, but I gotta work with what God gave me. And then we're going to take the first blending brush and kind of blend out those edges with nothing on it. Also, like always, if you guys hear any kind of snorting or snoring, you know, it's the bulldogs in here. I think I'm just going to make that like part of like my intro from now on, that, you know, they're always just going to be here. So if you hear any kind of noises, it's just them and just ignore it. Next, to deepen up the outer V, I'm going to go in with Charmed, which is kind of like a more darker brownish green. It is very pigmented. And like always, I'm going to put it where I want it and then blend it out. And now with a smaller fluffy brush, I am just going to blend that out. And we are kind of going to blend it in the crease just a little bit. And we are going to take the second blending brush and kind of blend that out in the crease just a little bit. Just to make sure everything is blended into each other and blended out, because we don't want any harsh lines. Because the darker the eyeshadows are, the more likely you are to see harsh lines. So we just definitely don't want that. I mean, I'm not perfect at eyeshadow by any means, but I kind of like don't want those harsh lines if at all possible. And we're going to take the first blending brush and blend out those edges as well. Telling you, the key to a good eyeshadow look is just blend, 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 blend. Blend some more. When you think you're done then, blend some more. Just to be on the safe side. So next I'm going to put Olive You in the middle of the lid. That's pigmented and it's pretty. We're going to take that last blending brush and blend out those edges. And a little in the crease. And then we're going to go back in and touch it up like right in the middle, just so we don't lose that shimmer color. And next I'm going to be kind of daring, and I'm going to use Mary Jane and put that kind of like in the inner corner and inner lid. It is a heck of pigment. But that's like really pretty actually. I like it. Yeah, this makeup look, I mean, it turned out a lot better than I thought it was going to, honestly. Like, not because the palette, because I know ColourPop has really good palettes, but because, like, I just didn't know, you know, how these green eyeshadows were all going to, like, mesh together, since they're all kind of, like, different shades. But I think it actually looks really good. And for our bottom lash line, I think I'm going to go back in with Kiss My Ass and throw that on there. I literally make like the worst faces when I'm doing my bottom lash line. So bad. Alright, so that is it for the eyeshadow. I am going to hop off camera to do my eyeliner and mascara, and I'll be right back. Okay, so the eyes are done. I really like this eye look. Like, it's totally out of my comfort zone, but I think this looks really pretty. Like, even though they're different shades of green, I think they look really good together. So I definitely give this palette definitely like an A+. ColourPop killed it again. Like always, I love ColourPop. They have really good affordable palettes. So if you're looking for a green eyeshadow palette, especially for like St. Patrick's Day, I recommend going out and getting this, because this is just like gorgeous to me. So that is it for the 4th day of hype. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And don't forget to stay tuned for tomorrow's video. It is the final video. Can you guys guess of which palette it is going to be? Let me know your guesses in the comments below. And I will see you guys tomorrow. But before you guys leave, don't forget to click that subscribe button, hit that post notification bell, and also go follow me on all social media to keep updated with what I'm doing or what I'm up to. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!